In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a tally form on Framer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your tally form, you want to embed, and then you want to publish it. And when you do so, you then want to go to Settings, top right, and you want to go to Share. Now, in here, scroll down. Here it says Embed Form. Select the style of embed you want. You have Standard, Pop-up, and Full Page. We're going to go with the Standard one right now. You can always change these up here, top left. And then here, of course, you can change the options like height and toggle these things on or off if you want to show them or not. So whenever you've done that, you can either click on Get the Code or Copy Embed Link. I'm just going to click on Copy Embed Link right now. I'm going to go to Framer, and then you want to go to Insert, top left, and search for Embed, okay? When you do that, click on the Embed block and drag it where you want to embed this. Then you want to double click on this Embed block, go to the right here where it says Embed. Under Type, it should be URL if you selected the Copy Embed Link, and then as you can see, it's going to embed it in here like this. Now, if you do HTML, you could also do that, so just go and get the code over here. This is HTML code, copy it, and you can go in here, paste it inside HTML, and that's gonna work as well, okay? So that's the two ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.